Welcome to the installation video. So this is what you guys will receive. You guys will receive a zip folder like this. Okay. Once you receive the zip folder in your Telegram, you're going to download it onto your desktop. And I need you guys to follow the instructions step by step. I'm going to explain everything on how to install the system. So once you have it, you right click and you say extract files. Okay, click on extract files. You need to have WinRAR on your PC so you can download it for free on Google. So you just say you're going to save it onto your desktop or wherever you'd like to save it. So I'll save it onto my desktop and I'll say new folder. It will automatically create a new folder, as you can see here at the bottom. It created the folder and then you click on OK. Perfect. So now if we have our folder over here, all we're going to do is we're going to open up our MT5. Your MT5 will look like this. It will be clear, no charts, nothing. Going to click on File, Open Data Folder, MQL5, and Indicators. Okay, we're going to start with Indicators first. So you can just minimize that and you can minimize your MT5. Go ahead and open up the folder that you just saved onto your desktop. Okay, in that folder, it will say ForexLife Viper Spike System. If you double click on it, it will show you exactly what is there. So you have your indicators, which is all of these indicators, and then you have a template, and over here is your license system for you to load. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is indicators. So over here you can go ahead and you can open up a brand new folder. So right click and you say new folder and you can call that ForexLife Viper Spike System. Okay, so there we have ForexLife Viper System. We're going to double click on that to open it up. We're going to go back to our indicators folder over here. We're going to select them all, right click, copy, go back to the folder you just created, right click and paste. Okay, then I want you to go back over here. This way says ForexLife Viper Spike Detector. So you right click and you copy, you go back and you just go ahead and paste that. Okay, so you'll have the Viper Spike System and you have the Viper Spike Detector. Okay, we're going to go back and we're going to go ahead and click on Profiles. Then we're going to click on Templates. So this template over here, you're going to double click, right click, copy, come back over here to this folder and paste. So there we have the template. Okay, so now you can close down everything because now we've loaded everything onto our MT5. So you open up your MT5 again. On your navigator where it says indicators, just right click and click on refresh. Once you click on refresh, you'll see that it has been loaded here, ForexLife Viper Spike System and ForexLife Viper Spike Detector. Okay, remember that you need to go ahead and load this onto the account that you guys have given me, account number, otherwise it will say invalid account. And if you try to load it onto a different account more than twice, more than 2 times, your license will automatically be suspended. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up our charts. So we're going to start with Boom 1000. All you do is you just click on it, drag it to the top over here, this empty space. Just drag it there. Then we go Boom 500, drag it to the empty space. Boom 300. Then we do Crash 1000, Crash 500, and Crash 300. Okay, all you do is you just click on either one to expand it, and all your tabs will be at the bottom. first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to boom 1000. We're going to click on the 1 minute time frame. Now remember, we've loaded a template, so we're going to right click, we're going to click on templates, and you're going to click on load. Okay, and here the template will be the ForexLife Viper template. So you click on it and click on open, and this is the template that will pop up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to where it says ForexLife Viper Spike System, and here we're going to start loading our indicators. So the first indicator that you need to load is the candle timer. So you're just going to double click on that. The color over here under inputs, this medium sea green, we're going to change that to black. Okay, and you can change the font for it as well, of how big you want it, but I just leave it on 10. Under common, you click allow and you say okay. So here we have our candle timer. Next indicator we're going to load is the ForexLife Trend Direction 2.0. So you double click on it. Under colors, where it opens up, the Dodger blue, you're going to change that to none. So you click on it and then click on none. Okay. Under common, you're going to click allow. Under levels, you're going to change this to a straight line and you're going to say okay. Okay, and this is how it will look at the bottom. Now what you do is the ForexLife Trend Direction, not the 2.0, the next one, the trend direction, you drag and drop it into indicator window 1. Okay, so you just drag and drop it over there. The first color, which is red, you're going to click and you're going to say none. Second one, you're going to change to none. And the lime one, you're going to change to none. Now these two colors, we are going to make this green and red. Okay, so we're going to make it medium sea green, and then we're going to double click and we're going to make this one red. Okay, under common, you click allow and you say okay, and there's your trend direction on your screen. Now what you do is you take the same trend direction, you go ahead and you drag and drop it onto the main chart over here, onto the main chart. You drop it, you click allow modifications. Under colors, we're going to do the exact same thing. So red, none, blue, none, lime, none. Now because this is on the main chart, we just want to make the colors a bit lighter, so you can make it any color of your choice. So we're going to start with the green. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on custom. I'm going to click on the green color, and over here I can just make it lighter. You can see in this box over here, it will show you how light it will be, and you can move it around over here also, so you can choose your colors wherever you move it. So I'll just make it that type of green. You can make it any color of your choice. I'll say okay, and there we can see it. Then for the red, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to click on custom. I'm going to click on red, and I'm just going to make it lighter like that, and I'm going to say okay. And there's my two colors. I'm going to click on OK, and there we can see it on the charts. Okay, the colors didn't change. Let's just change that colors again. So I'm going to go indicator list, ForexLife Trend Direction on the main chart. Let's just change, make those colors lighter again. The red one, custom, make that lighter. Okay, and okay, there we go. And there's it lighter. Okay, this one on the bottom shouldn't be changing. Let me just change it here and see. Okay, that's okay. It's okay if it's like that. We can still see green and we can still see the red. Then I've added another indicator. It's a free indicator that I found. It's just a channel. It will help you with entries. You can use it, you don't need to use it. That is completely up to you. So I'll just go ahead and add it. Just click on allow and okay. Okay, change to the 5 minute. We should see it there. On the 1 minute, it will appear once it's in the direction. So you don't really need to use it. I just use it as confirmation. I really want to change this. Let me just see something quickly. Don't know why it's affecting the other one. There we go. Perfect. So this is darker and this is lighter at the top. Now what you do is you just minimize this one. Now we're going to go to ForexLife Viper Spike Detector. So you can expand it by clicking on the plus sign. You're going to take your indicator. You're going to double click on it. You're going to click on allow modifications. Okay. Over here is the rules. When you want to take a sell, the indicator window 1, which is this, is red and it's at level 75, which is over here. You can see level 75, and you take the sell. Okay, if it gives you sell entries, you take the sell. With buy, if it's green and it's at level 20, you take the buy if the system gives you a signal for a buy. Okay, the video on how to use the system is up on YouTube. I'll send a link for that as well so you can know exactly how to use the system. This is just to install the system. We're going to click on colors. So because this is boom 1000, we don't want any sell entries. Okay, so we're going to click, double click and say none, double click and say none. So your first entry, this pink color over here, that is the little dot that appears, and the second one is your arrow. So you can change the width over here if you want. So I'll make the dot maybe 3 and I'll leave the arrow at 4. Okay, so I click on OK, and there we can see the system giving the signals. Now remember, it should always be on zoom level 2. So you zoom out to the furthest and then you zoom in 1, 2. And that is how the system will look. Now to make things easier, you don't go through the whole process for the next one. You right click, click on templates, and then click on save template. Okay, this one you're going to call ForexLife Viper Boom. Okay, that's just for the boom pairs. You click on OK. Now you go to boom 500. Click on the 1 minute time frame, right click templates, and then here ForexLife Viper Boom, just click on that and there you go. You see this channel that I've added, it just gives you a indication of where the trend is going as well and where the spike might happen. So you can use that as confirmation. Like I said, you don't need to use it, it's completely up to you. Okay, it's just something extra that I found works well with the system. There we go to boom 300. We do the same 1 minute, right click templates, ForexLife Viper Boom, click on that, and there you go, the system is loaded. Now we go to crash 1000. So listen closely what we'll do here. Okay, let me just close that. We're going to go to the 1 minute time frame, right click templates. We're going to load the boom template. Okay, we're going to load it. What we're going to do is we're going to right click. We're going to go to indicator list. We're going to go to our ForexLife Viper Spike System underscore demo. We're going to click on that, double click. We're going to go to colors. Okay, and now we want the sell entries. Okay, so you can go ahead and just click on reset over here, reset. It will give you the sell entries. Now we want to remove the buy entries. So we're going to double click and say none, double click and say none. So my first sell entry, my dot, I just want to make that 3 and I'll leave the other one as is. Click on OK and there it's loaded. Okay, so now what we do is we right click, click on templates, click on save template. We're going to do the same. ForexLife Viper Crash. Okay, because this is for the crash pairs. Click on save. We move over to our next chart, which is crash 500. Click on the 1 minute. Right click, templates, and ForexLife Viper Crash. We click on that, and there it's loaded. Crash 300, we do the same thing. 1 minute. Right click, templates, and a Viper Crash, and there we have it. So that's how you install the system. So you can close your navigator and you can close down your market watch so you can have a full view of the system. Here we can see it's a nice wins over there. Boom 300, it just gave a buy entry. As you can see, it gave a buy entry, and boom 300 spiked again. Okay, so the system is very accurate, guys. I just need you to follow the instructions, follow the rules of the system. I'll post a link to that right now as well, so you can go ahead and follow the rules and make lots of money. The system is going to make you a lot of money if you go ahead and follow the rules. So thank you, guys. Hope you understand everything. If you have any questions, please message me directly, but follow the instructions on this video and you won't have any issues with the installation.